Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Today's video is going to be my first holiday review. It's going to be over the BECCA Glow Mini Macaron Highlight Set. If you're curious what my lip color is, it's Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Los Angeles. Let's talk about this set. First of all, it's a $40 set. It's a $75 value. The outer packaging is adorable. I think BECCA really did a good job on this outer packaging. You have places for your 4 highlights to set, and you also have papers saying what they are that come around each individual highlight. BECCA highlights, the full sizes are $38, so for $40 you get 4 of them. That's basically paying the price of a full-size highlighter. BECCA highlighters, the full sizes are 8 grams. Mini sizes are 2.4, so you can see the size difference and the size comparison. Myself personally, I prefer having these mini highlighters because I am just not going to use up a gram full-size highlighter. I know people who have done it, but myself personally, I'm not going to use up a full-size highlighter. So, let's run through the shades you get. You get Rose Quartz, which I have on my cheekbones in Cupid's Bow. I'm wearing all of these today, by the way. You have Vanilla Quartz, which Vanilla Quartz and Opal you can get in mini sizes for $19 in the BECCA highlight range. Just individually you can get mini highlighters for $19, but for $40, which is almost the same price as a full-size highlighter, you get 2 more mini highlighters, so I think it's worth it. So, like I said, you get Vanilla Quartz, Rose Quartz, Opal, which I have on my eyelid today. I love it. And don't pay attention to this next one because I dug my nail in it trying to film. But this is Prismatic Amethyst. This is the second reason that I picked up this set. Vanilla Quartz and Prismatic Amethyst are the reasons I picked up this set. First of all, Emily Noel 83 talks about vanilla Prismatic Amethyst entire lot on her channel, and I just wanted to try Vanilla Quartz because I am extremely pale, and I thought this would be a beautiful highlight, and it is. So now that I've broken it down for you guys, I will put the notes on the screen saying what these highlights are in the tones of these highlights. I took a little screenshot on Sephora's website of the different tones of this highlight because it says Vanilla Quartz and it breaks down the tones of each and every highlight for you guys. So I will put that on the screen. I really like BECCA highlighters. I have many of them in my collection. Champagne Pop is my only full-size highlighter. No, I love them. Champagne Pop is my only full-size individual highlighter. I do have the BECCA Jaclyn Hill Champagne Glow set that comes with her Champagne Pop and Prosecco Pop in full-size, but that's in a little face palette. I love that as well. I love these. If you have been the type of person that you've been wanting to try BECCA highlighters, I highly recommend this. If you're the type of person that loves BECCA highlighters as a formula, I would highly recommend this if you don't have any of these shades individually, either in full size or mini size. If you want this set for a friend, it's highly giftable, it's really cute, it's adorable. I think any beauty lover would be excited to receive this. Really happy I got it. BECCA is a cruelty-free brand, so if you are cruelty-free or you've been wanting to go cruelty-free, that's important. and I'm very proud of them for doing that. And I think this set is highly, highly wonderful, and I love it so entirely much. Yeah, I love this. I highly, highly recommend it. I really enjoy BECCA highlighters, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you. Bye.